Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 3rd Subject English.
Good morning student, welcome to 3rd standard English class. Now we are going to see grammar chapter 2 naming words. Naming words and noun. Okay, first listen carefully. A noun is the name of the person. A noun is the name of a person, place or thing. Person, place or thing. Okay, we can put noun in many different groups. First one, name of person. Name of person: John, Mary, Mala, Priya, some etc. Okay. Second one, name of the places. Places: Delhi, Agra, Jaipur, London. Okay. Third one, name of fruits: apples, mangoes, grapes and bananas. Fourth one, name of vegetables: potatoes, tomatoes, onions, brinjals. Okay, then fifth one, name of birds: ground, hen, sparrow, peacock. Okay, sixth one, name of animal: cow, goat, horse, cat, rat. Okay, okay, okay. Seventh one, name of relations: father, mother, uncle, sister, grandpa, grandmother, son. Okay. Okay, students, see, take page number 8. Next, the noun of particular person and places always being with a capital letter. Capital letter. Particular person and place always being with a capital letter. Okay, first persons: Rogan, Atul, Neka, Lucy, Kannan, some etc. Okay. Second one, cities: Ludina, Shimla, Banibad. Third one, rivers: Ganga, Yamuna, Satlaj, Bees, etc. Rivers. Fourth one, countries: India, Nepal, China and England. Fifth one, day of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Okay, weeks. Sixth one, month of the year: January, February, March. Okay, okay, listen. Name of the particular person and place always being with a capital letter. Okay, okay. Okay, see, take page number 11. Next topic, singular and plural. Singular and plural. A noun is singular, is refers to one thing. சரியா, singular, one thing: book, dog, pen, flower, etc. Okay. And noun is plural, refers to more than one thing. More than one thing: books, dogs, pens, flowers. Okay. For example, by adding x, key, keys, keys. Day, days, girl, girls, boy, boys, apple, apples, monkey, monkeys, picture, pictures, servant, servants. Okay, wall, walls, road, roads, table, tables. By adding yes, then by adding es, as, box, boxes, adding es, call, class, classes, bush, bushes, branch, branches, hero, heroes, mango, mangoes. Okay, okay. See, take page number 12. By adding ies in place of y. Okay, y, baby, y is removed and adding ies, babies. Body, bodies, y remove. Okay. Family, families, fly, flies, lady, ladies. Okay. Then next, fourth one, by changing f or fe to ves. Okay, f or fe to changing ves. Okay, calves, knives, leaves, wife, wives, wolf, wolves. Okay. Fifth one, irregular plurals: child, children, oxen, man, men, woman, women, mouse, mice, ghost, geese, tooth, teeth. Okay. Okay, see, take page number 15. First, masculine and feminine. Masculine and feminine. The name of all male person or animal are said to be masculine. For example, man, boy, brother, father, uncle, king, lion, dog. Okay. Then the name of all female person or animal are said to be of the feminine. For example, girl, woman, and daughter, sister, and queen, for etc. Then cock is a male bird. Hen is a female bird. Okay. Ox is a male animal. Cow is a female animal. Okay. Man is a male person. Woman is a female person. Okay. Cock, ox, and man are males. We call them masculine now. Can, cow, or woman is females. We call the feminine. Okay. Wow. Then learn the following table masculine and feminine nouns. For masculine, sir, and feminine, madam. Okay. Masculine, fox, and feminine, vixen. Uncle, aunt, father, mother, brother, sister, husband, wife, nephew, nice, gentleman, lady. Okay. Okay, students, see, take page number 17. Countables and uncountables. Countables and uncountables. Okay. We can count some nouns. We call them countables. Okay. We can use them in the singular and also in plural. Singular and also in the plural. First, for example, I have a book. And singular. I have a 2 books in plural. This is an egg. These are eggs. Okay. But we cannot count some nouns. We call them uncountables. Uncountables, we can use them in the singular only. We cannot use a and with them some uncountable. For example, air, oil, coffee, sugar, cotton, paper, water, tea, ink, food, bread, gold, money for uncountable nouns. Okay. Okay. Then next exercise, try and do yourself. Next class we will discuss about the answer. Okay. Page number 8, 9, 10 and 13, 14 and 16, 17. Okay, 17. Okay, thank you.